Jaka, Dana Tichu, Din Bible in, Mention Boka, Naupang de, Lavajo, Iswamen Manekasha, Ana Ada Jokamia, Iswamen Manekaloma, Onion Menjanani.
Oh, thiam look at you.
If you don't do your homework, you don't get a toy.
Yeah, teacher the pon lom don lo ni chu.
I want to get a toy, but I'm not doing my homework. No, you're not, because you're not doing your homework. You have to do your homework. Stop! You're saying rude stuff to me. Colin, come on, we'll do your homework quick. Yeah, do your homework by yourself. Do my homework by yourself.
Boy pui nang mai ni ti thei lo I ho ma ki thei lo wa si te brother te pui don che akha khai ti ngai lo.
For you.
Okay,
then you do your homework and we're not helping you. I don't want you to talk to me. Fine, then do it! Mom, Colin's not doing his
Boy
homework.
pui ho ma ki ti lo ton ti to ten hum lo ang an lom lo to
Do
pang.
it than us.
Ho ma ti lo chu.
I don't want you to stop. Stop talking. Stop talking. Do your recitation. Come, say hickory tea. Hickory tea. Dog tea.
Dog ti la si se kan sei lo.
Tea.
Boy pui sei lo.
Teas. Colin. Say dog. Okay. It's your recitation. You see, dog. Ready. Then write K like this, and then write K like that. I got some more paper. Come, but do this one first, okay? Right on here. Copy this, okay? I'll show you. And then you oh no, you ripped the paper. It's okay. Do your name, okay? Hey, don't talk about do your name, Colin. See, do C. C is this way. I just need it, Ethan. Okay. Oh, that's not. Wait, what's next? Wait, I know. Next Colin, is this. Colin, so. Mom! Colin forgot the No, he's just skipping along. I think he's gonna do it. I'm gonna skip the along. Okay. Now, what is No, Colin, don't do it yet. Oh, don't color on your folder. Yeah, that's Mom, now what do you do? So, now. John, you took
Ate be sup so ri ron ti boy.
Dad, you took out 3 papers.
Boy I fan hin ro ni bia kha ti so tin ye zirang ri ron ti boy.
1, 2, 3. That's a lot. This is mine. Mom, Colin needs to read. Mom, this is mine too.
Ole sharpui ro.
This is also mine. So.
Ate
Is this?
be loi so ri ron ti boy.
Mom,
Pakhatin bia chon pakhatin be ro khati chon hin pui lo.
Dickory dock. Dickory dock. The mouse ran out the it. What is morning? Can you buy me a little bouncy ball at the store? So that's why I'm trying to tell you to don't do that. Just do it again. See? He's gonna scribble. No, he's not. I'm gonna let him do it. Done. Ethan, no! Stop doing his homework. Mommy, Ethan scribble on my homework. I'm not.
Okay,
you
I'll put
can
this up.
draw like that. You scribbled. Yeah, I'm just gonna draw because you. I think I homework. But this is homework for you. If you want to know how to write your G's, then you have to do your homework. Yeah. No, that was like watermelon. He's gonna scribble it over now. Because he's not listening. He's a bad boy.
Puma ma kon turin kan thon ni hen ho ma. Collina Home ma ka utem ti pu yan tu ma he an shil na salu to ka ti ta shi ni.
You're not. You say you don't want to do any more homework. So you know. Come on. Smell it. Smell the Play-Doh. Colin, these ones are fun.
Si kha thu oi la boy pui play do ho ni lo. Boy pui ngai thala listen. No.
I want to see how does it glow.
No boy pui.
It's not gonna glow.
I homework di do nem si na pui to don lo chen ya.
Stop glowing.
A pui. Nang po ba zung mo mero? Tapi
What is he doing his homework?
it's okay. Apui. Ethan, could you please go and pick it up, please? That's his homework. That's not yours. Ethan,
No, I'm gonna get it.
could you please bring it back?
Mommy, I wanna buy a glow Play-Doh.
Okay, you need to do your homework, Mama.
I don't wanna do it anymore. No, you mean glow in the dark slime?
Aron ken sang ra ubay pui a homework karon ken sang ra.
He does not wanna do
Homework ka tinga bui pui homework ka ti lo
If
chuan.
you do your homework, then you buy it.
Homework ka ti lo chuan teacher in London lo homework ka ti
If you
ngai.
if
Homework ron tro le.
if you don't do your homework, you're not buying glow in the dark slime. So you do your homework. Like glow Play-Doh. Call it glow in the dark slime.
Bui pui si na pui don che homework ron tro le ron chaula.
Colin,
Teacher ten lo mya lawang.
do you want more homework? Jordan, let him do this. He doesn't finish. He didn't finish it. But he'll. Uppy, look at. Erase it. It's gonna stay. Oh, we know. Uppy. Hey, Uppy, now. He's starting over.
Okay, bui pui.
Colin.
Bui pui in ready to em.
Colin, do you want more homework? Colin, you never do your homework. So Colin, you never do your homework. I don't have homework. You never do your homework. I just have coloring. Colin, never do your
Bui pui coloring what ni lo do soi su lo ka ro.
I don't want to do my coloring. Colin, you're gonna get more and more homework if you don't do your homework. No, I have coloring. I know, but look, this is your homework, and this is your homework. Those are just coloring papers.
Yeah, bui pui.
Your homework. Those are coloring papers. They're coloring. They look like coloring papers. They're not.
Eh, apui thim rim lo ti to.
But you have to color the right stuff.
Ani chu sermon le chia me thi nia
Do
kuma.
it. Do it.
Bui pui a tok to a thin rim a thin
Stop it.
a in ti lu tuk a tok to.
Do your homework.
A tok to bui pui.
Come on, Colin, do your homework. Stop.
Thada win ti ula lo
Put
kal
that in
ne.
your Colin, put that in my folder. If you don't, I'll tell you what to do. So, trace this with your fingers. No, put that in my folder. No, Colin, if you don't do your homework, then we won't go to California. No, put it in your folder. No, if you don't do your homework, Colin, why should then you're gonna stay at home and we're gonna go to California. Stop. Colin, why would we put your paper in our folder? It's not our homework. It's your homework. I want my paper in my homework. We're not putting it in. I want it in
Apui lo thin rim chu thin rim.
We're putting
Apui
it in
thin rim ti lo la.
Yeah. Because it is your homework. No, don't put it in.
Ka you chu do thei em he azai dam em.
This is only one he needs to do, okay?
Ti to lo me ra u ati du lo ni khasan in chu boy thak. So kal bo de. Apui peihloh da khom sang ra u folder ra khan lak tu ka kan ti pui don nia.
He doesn't care if he gets more homework because he's gonna get more homework every day. If you don't, and pretty soon he's gonna have. If you don't do your homework, then you're gonna have a lot of homework. Colin, if you don't do your homework in preschool, these are only stop Ethan.
Bai pui si trong tir lok ro.
Stop Ethan. Stop.
A en du lo ni kha en a ngai thadon chuang lo.
Stop. He's gonna get more mad. Colin, stop, Ethan. I told you to stop. He's gonna get more mad. Colin, so rude. If you don't do your homework in preschool, then you're not gonna do it in kindergarten. You're gonna just do this instead. If he doesn't do his homework, he's gonna stay at class forever. Colin, you can draw. Okay, then draw ABCs. No, don't just draw these kind of people. What do you want me to draw? Oh, I want you to draw. Can I draw something?
No apui za ti su a thin rim.
Jordan, so mad. What do you want to draw? Oh, I just want to draw the bus. Colin, stop getting my seat.
Apui.
Colin, stop getting in my seat.
These
little holes. Colin, get out of my seat.
Kuya.
My seat. Colin,
Bởi
just
bây giờ chụp nào nhỉ? Và bởi bây giờ in xe đó đi thế. Collina chụp nào nhỉ?
Hey, I'm supposed to go down. You're supposed to go there.
Eh?
It's okay. But I can't see my bus. Colin, do you just want these dots, not the cloud? Yeah, I just want the dots. Colin, stop. Down. Hickory, dickory, dot. You just said your whole recitation. It's your recitation.
CC in recitation is your theory.
Colin, what's the first number? Let's count to 10. What's number first?
You don't need to do it.
Colin, what number's first? I don't know. To count to 10. I don't know. Repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey! Okay. Let's count to Z. Let's do our ABC. Say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K,